All right. Here we go. We're going on the gondola. Hi, how are you? Oh, shoot. I was like, wait, I just showed him to somebody up there, but... Thank you. Hi, how are you?
Very well, thank you. I'll have number 25.
All right. Pretty good. How about you?
I'm good, thank you.
I was afraid to stop.
When you're ready, guys.
Now, which window's open?
These are the only ones that open. Yeah,
Okay,
just
so
these
Mark,
two.
I'm gonna let you in on that because this side opens.
This
Can we sit on the same side?
Of course.
You are?
For you, they'll
Okay.
keep an eye on it.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Whew.
Have a
Thank
lovely
you.
Thank
night.
you so much. Have a good day.
Bye.
Enjoy.
2, 1. Delay.
Uh-oh, broke it. Great.
And also, there's a
Great, we're broken. Great. Just great. Ah!
Wow.
Oh gosh, this goes a little faster than I anticipated.
Bit bumpy.
Whee! I can't believe you're not going to film. What? All right, we are on the gondola going up.
Yes,
up,
we
up,
are. Up.
Up. How are you?
Hello.
I'm good. All right. He's disabled, so if we can make sure we hold it real good.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
Take your time.
Here, let me offer you a hand. He's gonna offer you a hand. Take it, dear. You're too proud.
Too proud. Yep. Too proud.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
All right. We have made it
To the top.
to the top. Shoot, I forgot to ask what. You are at 7,486 feet above sea level. Absolutely amazing. We took the gondola Here it comes. Let's see if we can get it in here. We took the gondola up here. There it is. We parked way down there where that white spot is, right there. And it is just breathtaking up here. I brought my big purple coat because I thought it was going to be cold, but I was not cold at all. In fact, I was hot. So this is just incredible. Wow, that's really pretty.
I see a bear down there.
I doubt it. We are destined never to see a bear. Oh, it's a little bit windier over here.
Yeah.
Okay, it's kind of funny. We're at the top of the mountain and they're playing Van Halen's Jump. I don't think it's a very appropriate song to be up there. How about you, Mark? Isn't it right? Here, come over here.
Oh, right. Yeah, yeah. Let me go around that.
All right, let's go. Hello, Box.
Hello, Bob.
Are you having a good time?
I am. This is incredible. Everybody's.
Yes, it is.
How are you?
Oh, you again?
Yes, sir. Where's
So was Norman Sanson was his name?
Yeah, Norman.
Yeah.
Norman.
Norman.
I saw it on
I
second.
remembered it and I thought, I'll see him again.
There you go.
So we guys get on then?
Thank you.
Have a great day. Good talking to you. All right, Joe, guys.
I was going to tell you you had a twin up there.